Hi guys, on our way to go get a puppy. Those are the parents. They're tiny.
Yeah. So one's white and one's brown. It came out brown.
Chicken or peanut butter?
Hmm?
Chicken or peanut butter?
Chicken. Keep your stuff. Well, I want it to.
Okay, so we're back home now. I just wanted to show you guys what I got her today. We got her some pee pads. This is the food that I'm gonna be feeding her. Then I got her this little bunny. It's so cute. It's like a little baby. And then I got her some treats for training. And then her bed is so cute. Like, look at this. That's so cute. Okay, this is her. She's a chihuahua. The lady said the most she will grow is about 5 pounds, but I'm in love with her. Hi. And I don't know what I'm gonna name her yet, but I want it to be food related because all my pets are food named. So there she is, and she's 8 weeks right now. Oh, I love her. Look, yeah. Oh, she's playing with it.
There's no like actual pink ones. There's like. Oh, sick.
Look. It's on sale.
Get it?
Why is it on sale?
It's broken.
Oh, is it because it's chipped?
Is it chipped?
Like the tiniest bit. It's only $3.
I don't know.
I mean, it is kind of hard to open it. So that's like a lot of strength.
Nah, not worth it.
Oh my fuck. Yeah, we're not getting it. I like that one, huh?
It's alright.
I dare you to lick it.
That?
Yeah, lick it.
Lick that.
I'll give you $5 right now.
20.
See if it tastes like salt.
20.
Okay.
Nah, I don't want it. It's too salty. Ha ha ha.
Hi guys, I want to show you guys everything I've gotten her so far. I'm definitely gonna buy more, but this is kind of just the essentials. First things first, I got her this carrier, and I got this from Amazon. It was only 40 bucks, so it was a pretty good deal. I've been using it for like car rides and stuff like that, just because she's very little right now. Yeah. From PetSmart, I got a couple things. So I got her these Dentley's dog chews. They're rawhide twist with real chicken. Ooh, they look like that. They're a little big, so I'm gonna have to cut them up for her. And I'm probably not gonna give these to her right now because she's still very little for that. I got her some all meat bites, and this is basically like dehydrated chicken. A lot of dogs love these. Then I got her this Kong puppy. This is so tiny, like compared to my face, but then compared to her, it's not that tiny. So I got her that so she could entertain herself, and then I got her the stuff that like goes in it. Then I got her this toy which she loves. It's a little baby like dino, and it has that crinkling noise that puppies love. And I got her this. This is by Kong as well. It's supposed to be like a pacifier, but obviously that's like 20 times bigger than her face. Oh no, this is a Nylabone. I lied. But she likes biting on this because she's teething. And then I got her a collar. And it is so big. This is the smallest size that was available. I'm hoping she'll grow into it because yeah. But there's that. Then we went to Home Goods and I got a couple of things. So I got these dishes. This is actually for cats, it says, but they're really cute. It says like feed me and thirsty right here, so I think that would be good. And then of course got her some poopy bags and this little treat jar thing so you could put all her treats in. And last but not least, I got this. This is so cute. I'm gonna put all her toys in here, but it says life is better with a dog. So that's all the stuff I got her, and this is my child. We've bonded. Yes, we have. She's the cutest thing in the world. I freaking love her. That's gonna be the end of this video though. I'll see you guys in my next one, and she will be in future videos as well. So say goodbye. Bye. Bye.
This, oh, okay, that's pretty cute. This, what are you doing? What are you doing in there?